Good morning, boys and girls. It's your favourite grumpy granny from Gravy's Patch. Monday morning, time to do the mail. And I quite often get asked about how I package my books and what I make my cardboard sleeves or my protective sleeves out of. So that's what I'm going to quickly show you this morning. I've got 2 books to send today. So I've got this one, which is Herbert James' The Fog, which I might have pointed out in one of my sales tips. So that is going off to the US, I believe. But anyway, that doesn't matter. So what I've done here, so this is a larger cardboard box, and these are just the leaves, like the flaps that fold up and down. Like, don't ever throw those out because they are just the perfect size to make a protective sleeve for a paperback book. So I will show you what I do. So I'll put it in, and you'll see, as long as it's got enough width at the side that it's got extra cardboard wider than the book, and that way the pages of the book won't get crushed. Now, if the book's in good condition and you can do this safely, and the cardboard's soft enough to do it safely, you can actually just fold it over, and that'll actually create the creases for you. Just depends on the cardboard and the book, but yeah, that one's going to be fine. And because this is going overseas, I want to keep the weight down, if I could find my knife. So I will trim off quite a bit of that excess. And I always put my thank you card there and sit it on the top of the book so that that's the first thing they see when they actually unwrap their book, when they undo the tape. And also, when you're doing it, you need to get this one securely, but when you're doing it for overseas, lots of sticky tape surprisingly adds up. So don't keep adding on extra tape all the time. So there we go. So that's the protective sleeve for that particular book. Protects it all the way around, protects the corners, protects the spine, protects the pages. Simple and easy. So here I am going to show you my favourite sale from yesterday. And we're going to pop on over to Depop for that, because here's my store on Depop. And I have got my very first Depop sale. And I sold this pair of denim shorts for $29.95 plus post. They're a really cool pair of shorts. Size 34, 100% cotton. And a lot of detail on them, high rise and a lot of detail. And yeah, I only had them listed for 2 days and they sold. So now I need to just get some more cool gear up on Depop. And I guess, I suppose you buggers want to know how much money I cleared out of that sale. All right, hang on and I'll just have a peek. Rightio, boys and girls. So the transaction fees for selling on Depop were $4.15, which is basically a 10%, because by the time they paid $29.95 plus $11.50 postage, that made it $41.45. The shorts cost me $1.87 the shorts cost me $1.87 from a neighbouring town. Postage, unfortunately, was for a rural area, so it was $10.07, and then including the packaging and everything, I finished up clearing a profit of $24.47, which is a return on investment of 2,347%. Yay! I will catch you tomorrow.